Diyanka. Happy 13th birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Since I could not give you a card, I would like to show a card that I specially made for you. For my dear friend. And it says happy birthday. Hope you liked it. And since it's June 5th, it's Environment Day too. So happy Environment Day.
Hi dear man, you are my best sister. This is card for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear.
God bless you.
Happy birthday dear man. God bless you.
Mwah.
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 Happy birthday, Diyanka. Have a great day. Bye.
Happy birthday dear man. We love you.
Diyanka, may all your dreams and wishes come true today.
Hello Diyanka, wish you a happy birthday and hope this year goes ahead well for you. And I hope this day is filled with your happiness and it's like a fun-filled day for you. And I would like to love to give you a big hug for all the things you've done for us. But we gotta maintain social distancing, can't come to houses. But virtually we can do celebrate birthdays, right? So I'm gonna virtually wish you happy birthday. Plus, don't worry, there's happy birthday song for you too. So please enjoy and watch. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord, may the good Lord, may the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday, Diyanka, once again, and you're turning into a teen. Awesome, right? You can do new things and basically a teen means you have so many advantages. And happy birthday once again. And this is me, Shabna, signing off.
Hey Diyanka, BFF, let this be a secret for all the things you did for me. So $1 million charity. Hi, bye, such a sweet smile for me. You've done that extra mile. 24/7, I'm there for you. Us, you see, no one can make it. You showed me true friendship. You have a lot of sportsmanship. She's my BFF, I proudly say that. Hey everyone, you better do that. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
You're very smart, you're really dark, you have such a big heart, and I know friends will never be apart. You laugh at the silly things I do, even I laugh, but at everything you do. Hey Diyanka, you're my pro and I know I'm your hero. Whatever you do, you become a pro and that's Diyanka, we all know. Hey birthday girl, that's it for today. Happy birthday and have a great day.
Happy birthday, Diyanka. Wishing you a great year ahead. I still remember all that fun time we had in IIS grade 4 when you used to be the nerd of our class and you were the only girl who played Shadow Fight too. We all loved that. I still remember our park visits with Sunena ma'am where we used to run around and play. I still treasure this gift which you gave us when you were leaving IIS and going to IHS. I still remember, enjoy your birthday with your two little sisters and your parents. Again, happy birthday, Diyanka.
Hi Dia, how are you? Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Dia. How are you? God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Happy birthday to you. May the God bless 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 you. Hi, Jivan. May the God Happy birthday to you.
Hi Dianga, happy birthday. I hope so you have a wonderful birthday, and I hope you all are safe, your family members and your friends are all safe.
Priyanka, happy birthday. May God bless you. It's been so long since we have actually not talked and stuff. I really hope you enjoy your birthday. Even if it's in quarantine, hope you enjoy a lot. Save me some chocolate, yeah? And finally you're 13, a teenager. Oh my god. Big girl. Anyways, enjoy your birthday. Miss you, see you in school.
Hi Priyanka, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great day and a healthy year ahead.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Diyanka. Happy birthday to you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you, Diyanka. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Dianga.
Happy birthday, Dianga Chichi.
Happy birthday, Diyanka.
Hi, Dia. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you and have a wonderful year ahead. Thank you.
Diyanka, may all of your wishes come true today. Bye.
Hi, Dianka. Happy birthday, and I hope you have a really good day today. Take care and I purple you.
Hi, Dianka. Happy birthday. We have something to show you. Dianka. Delightful, intelligent, youthful, adventurous, nice, curious, and active. Happy birthday once again. Bye.
Happy birthday, Dia.
Happy birthday, Dia. And we wish that your teenage years be filled with lots of love and happiness, and that you make a lot of sweet memories that you can cherish forever. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday. God bless you.
God bless you. Bye.
Bye. Happy birthday, Diyanka.
Happy birthday, Dia.
Happy birthday, Dia. Be a proud daughter to your parents. Have a great day.
Many more happy returns of the day, Dia. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Dia. Turning 13 means you will begin to see things differently as you transition from childhood into teenage bliss.
Yes.
Enjoy this phase. May it be one of the most memorable times of your life.
Yes.
Our choices, blessings are with you always, Dia. Happy birthday.
All the best. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Good night.
Bye bye.
Happy teen birthday, Dia. May God bless you and keep you safe always.
Happy birthday, dear Baba. You're a teen already, you turned 13. It looks like few years back I came and saw you in Ireland when you were a small baby. I wish and pray all the success and all the happiness in the world. Once again, a very happy birthday. We all love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dia.
Many happy returns of the day, Dia.
Wishing the first teen member of the girls group a very, very, very happy birthday. Hi Diyanka, Dinka, Sushi here. I hope this special day of yours brings you a lot of happiness, fun and love. You deserve it a lot. Happy 13th birthday.
Hi
Bye.
Diyanka, wish you a many happy returns of the day. As you step into this teen world, I wish you a lot of happiness, good health. May all your dreams come true. You have a lot of potential. Have faith in yourself and you will achieve remarkable things. Happy 13th birthday. Enjoy.
Hi, Diyanka.
Bye.
Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy.
Hi Diyanka. I wish you a very happy birthday. May all your wishes come true.
Well, may your day go very well.
We are waiting for lockdown to get over
so that we can come and celebrate your birthday with you. Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday
from
from
our
our
whole
whole
family. You're the first one to become 13 years old.
You'll be the biggest one for a few months.
And then I will take over. Happy birthday once again.
Hi,
Bye-bye.
Diyanka. Happy 13th birthday.
May God bless you, Dia.
Keep striving for excellence.
Bye.
Birthday, Diyanka.
God
bless you.
Happy birthday, Dia. God bless you. Umma. Happy birthday, Dia. Devache mesam. Tuka impula. Umma.
Happy birthday, Dia.
Happy birthday, dear. Bye. Love you, Umma.
Happy birthday, dear darling. Spread happiness and stay blessed. God bless you.
A very happy birthday, dear. Bye. God bless you. Love you. We all miss you, dear. Bye. And don't forget to give us a treat when you come to India, okay? Once again, a very happy birthday.
Happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. I call you Bangaru. You know the meaning of Bangaru? It is Chinna in Kannada and gold in English. Yes, you're our golden girl. Be a good girl. No, you're already a good girl. Be a better girl. Be the best girl. Be happy and cheerful as always. May God bless you abundantly with wisdom, success, good health, happiness and prosperity. Dewa Jambesam Bangaru. Happy birthday again.
Hi dear.
Many more happy returns of the day. God bless you.
Happy, you are entering into your teens, no? Happy teens.
Happy birthday. God bless you.
2, 1, 7. Happy birthday, dear. Bye. Say happy birthday, dear. Bye.
Diya, this is Snoopy. Brownie.
Say happy birthday, dear. Bye. Say happy birthday, dear. Bye.
Kaitagi.
Happy birthday, dear. Bye. Dear,
Diya,
bye.
this is Brownie. Hey, Kaita.
Shake hand. Shake hand.
Kaita da.
Chubu, chubu. Happy birthday, dear. Bye.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dianka. Happy birthday to you.
I still remember a cute little girl coming to our house and playing with Shrutika, and she became a big girl now. A very happy birthday, dear Dianka. Love you.
Happy birthday, Jadianka, and wishing you all the love and happiness, a lot of success to you, and we all love you.
Happy birthday, Dianka. You've always been my best friend. Now I became 13. You became so big now. So I wish all success for you too.
Happy birthday, Dianka.
Happy birthday, Dianka.
Happy birthday, love you.
Hello. Hey Dianka, many happy returns of the day. 13 years, big girl.
Didi.
Say Prisha.
अभी वापस
Happy birthday, Dianka.
Dianka.
दियांका दीदी
Happy birthday, Dianka.
प्रिशा और क्या बोलना है
Have lot of fun, cut a cake, have presents.
फ्लाइंग किस
Flying kiss.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दियांका लॉट्स ऑफ लव
I know we are late, sorry. Yeah?
सॉरी वी आर लेट रियली सॉरी
Hi, Dianka. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday.
Hey Dianka, wishing you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you and make your day filled with joy and happiness.